How to use lock screen shortcuts on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open lock screen. So turn off phone. You will see lock screen is here. So if you want to use lock screen shortcuts, you will see use torch from here. You will see increase or decrease brightness from here. So if you want to turn off, so click and hold. So if you want to use camera from here, after using camera you will see use time watch from here. So after the process, enter phone passcode. So that's how you can use lock screen shortcuts on iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.